So now we've done the service, we just need to reset the service interval indicator. To do that, ignition on and off, open up the bonnet, open up the driver's door, and then put your feet on the accelerator and brake for 60 seconds, holding it there. And then after 6 seconds, remove it, close everything, wait 2 or more minutes, turn the ignition off, and then hopefully that will reset the timing. And we're going to do that now. So, just going to start the car, turn it off, open up the bonnet if I can find it. Bit further up, there we go. Open up the driver's door, and then ignition on, and put our feet on the brake for 30 seconds. And you notice after about 60 seconds the bonging will stop. I don't know if that's an indicator or not, but it seems to have to stop after 60 seconds anyway. So leave this for 2 more minutes with the ignition off, and hopefully that will reset the service indicator.